welcome back everybody. This is April the 2nd. We're still back on the brake lines this morning. And even though we run the Behrmans down through the steel tubes for the rear brake lines, and these were after the proportion valve, we go ahead and we double check to make sure that our cleaning process, simple vacuum a good heavy nylon string down there. Bride, would you hold this one end here? You have to get over here in the camera a little bit. But hopefully we can get you in here. Let's see if we cannot zoom down here. Camera a little crooked. Well, we better zoom back out. Alright, anyhow, simply vacuum the cord down through it. This is the regular construction grade nylon. If you don't pull the string out here, wrap your finger around, and then we will chase this back and forth, make sure that this white cord picks up no rust, and I'm well pleased with this. This is one. I'll leave this in here for right now for the owner to show him that we've salvaged these are really difficult bends. I mean, yes, we can bend them. I've got an Eastwood bender here. But this is the one on the left. All right, let's work her, Sammy. And you can see that I'll let her pull me a little further. And nice and white, no rust. That Behrman stuff this is carburetor, the chemical, and I capped the ends and filled them up, let them set overnight, rinsed and flushed them good. So we have good brake lines, nice and salvageable. You order these kits from the Corvette people, and you're still going to have to tweak them. A lot of them don't even come with the vibration link around here, the anti-vibration, I guess we're going to call that, because that's what I've called it for years. And this is up near the caliper. So that being said, we hope this helps, and y'all please share. This is going to be on one of my players list in with the Corvette, and this will be the part 5 or 6. I'll have to go back and edit and see which one, but we are back on the Corvette. So if my viewers and subscribers like this, please give us a comment and share. God bless. Come back and visit.